guys, welcome back to my channel. And so guys, I am joined by Edie, George, and stuff. We're just gonna like teleport to Edie right now. And guys, basically, I'm teleporting. Well, oh, like what? Where am I? Okay, so guys, we're playing hide and seek, and I'm just going to count right now. So,
count.
guys,
She's counting.
tell me when you guys are like when you guys are ready.
I know where to hide.
Guys, don't tell me where you're going to hide. I'm going to count in the bathroom. Hold on, wait, no. Hold on. I'm going to close the door. Yes, I'm counting in the bathroom.
Okay, I'm going to have to
Woo, I've got noodles. I'm a chef in my bakery. Guys, you only have 3 seconds left.
No, I don't have my hiding spot. Wait.
3.
No! Evie, please not yet. Please not yet. Hold on.
2. 1.5. 1 1/4.
No! Come on!
1
We're in.
You ready? 1. Okay, I'm coming. So, whoever I find first has to be the secret for the next round.
By the way, we're both in the same place. Sorry,
Well, whoever I see first.
Please don't leave me.
I feel like you guys are like behind here. No, you guys definitely aren't. Oh, I'm stuck!
I have a peeky
Oh,
hole.
wait, no, I'm not.
No, come to the front. Oh no! I have seen him.
I can't see you guys. Where are you? Where are you? Why is this poster being changed to a smiley face?
Oh, because I did that.
You're
But
freaking
I'm
me out.
glitching. Help! I may have to reset, guys.
Just teleport to George.
Okay. Oh my gosh! If you will never find me.
Oh my gosh, where is
Hey,
George?
what are you?
Where are you guys?
I'm glitching, but I can stay here.
Where are you guys?
I'm like a window! Guys, I had to reset.
I don't know where you guys are.
Damn, I reset it, but she went past.
Okay, I won't look.
Oh no.
Where are you guys?
gosh!
Where are you?
I'm
I see you!
No, because I reset, but I glitched. Please. Okay, I'll count.
Okay, wait, hold on.
Can I do the thing
Where's
now?
George? Where's George? We need to find George.
What is behind the thing like this?
You alright?
Yeah.
What
Okay,
is that?
so we need to find George.
A stick with blood for it.
We need to find George. Where is George?
Oh,
George is behind the TV.
Is
Hi,
he?
George. I found you, George. Hi. Guys, wait. Evie,
Wait, where's
can I have
George?
your laptop for this
Is he
one?
behind the TV?
Evie, can I have your laptop for this one? I'm behind.
Okay, so guys, whoever's like on my laptop is going to be the person who's like counting. So
Yeah,
guys, we're just going to swap round devices. So there you go. I'm going to quickly try and hide. Yes.
Wait.
You're going to be counting and
Wait,
I'm going to tell you.
Wait,
when we're
wait. Is it still like on the video right now? You're doing
yeah.
it. Evie. Oh wait. Evie.
Okay.
I'll show you. I'll show you where I was hiding. Okay, guys. I'm gonna go and count in the kitchen.
That would be a perfect.
In the kitchen would be a perfect place, but I don't.
No, don't count in the kitchen.
Yes, George, you just kind of gave
Okay,
yours.
guys, don't like.
Oh, I
Don't give away this spot.
Okay, I'm counting in the kitchen. Tell me when you're done. Because I don't think Evie's going to have a good place. Or George, I don't know.
I already have a good place.
Okay.
Hold on, we'll tell you when we're ready.
I'm jumping. I don't know why I'm jumping.
Evie, teleport to me.
No, because I'll just see that. And I just heard that. Guys, are you ready?
No. Yes.
Okay, George is ready. Evie, you need to hurry. Okay, we have seconds left.
Wait.
10.
Hold on.
9.
Okay. I'll just teleport to George. 8. Okay, we're going.
Who's ready?
Oh, this is a really bad place.
Okay, it's okay.
I checked my boots.
Guys, I'm ready to come and find you.
Okay.
Evie, get out of my hiding spot.
No.
No, because that's what me and George did. So wait, what? I'm
We're
confused.
just split into teams.
Okay, guys, right now I'm trying to look for them, but everything say E. Wait, hold on. If they're behind this again, I'm just gonna... I tried to look at George's thing, but I think I saw half of the dancing floor. Oh, I found Taylor. That's me. Hi, Evie. That's easy.
Okay, George is the last one who needs to count.
Wait, I can't. It's the screen won't move.
Haha! I was in there. I was in there. I was in there with Evie.
I was in there with Evie.
So basically, guys.
Wait, you can't see me. I'm invisible.
George was in there with
Wait,
them.
you're invisible.
So you now have to go.
Why is it so dark?
George, now you're on here and I'm on here.
Guys, why is it so dark? Wait, I'm on there. I'm on there now.
And then now you're on here. So guys, we're gonna just
Yeah, but I
quickly
didn't find
swap devices. I know. He was in the same place as me. Now he's counting. So
This is so weird. Wait, so can I see that?
Yeah, you can see where I'm gonna go, obviously. So
This
guys,
is-
I'm on George's computer.
This is such a big screen. I'm not used to.
Hide in the kitchen.
George,
Wait,
you're
hold on.
doing the video.
No,
right
everyone
now.
counts in the bathroom.
George, so you had to talk to the video. So guys, I'm not as good and as usual with a big screen like this as well, like my
Don't know where to hide. It's freaking so
hi.
Evie! Oh my god.
Wait,
That's
wait,
evil.
I'm gonna wait, I put in my name as a dot. Wow, nobody cares about the dot of legends. I wish I could hide. I literally wish I could hide in the frying pan in the kitchen. Yeah, but I'll still find you. I'm only taking.
George, you can come look for us now.
Okay. First, I need to cook this soup. I am going.
Oh my god.
I am going. I am going. I am going. Hi.
No! Evie, I'm coming to find you now! George, how did you go past this? That's actually
Freaking
me.
thing.
I'm her and she's me.
Hi.
So this is basically her. She's
You-
on your computer.
Wait, guys.
Basically, no, she's not actually.
Wait,
I changed my name to Edie because I'm sneaky and I just wait. What?
Oh,
You did not know how. Let me in. Hold on. If I just go like this. Oh, wow.
Shugabunga. Wait, I can't get in.
Wait, I'm stuck inside this white screen. Okay, George. Well, I'm gonna count this time.
Wait, can it actually be out in the? Yes, that's what we're doing now.
Guys, I'm going to go count. You guys won't see.
Yeah, we're doing it all around the
Wait,
whole
guys, I'm just gonna go see like where people are and like be like, hey guys, I'm totally not
Okay.
videoing.
Oh, George,
recording.
I have a perfect hiding.
Oh my
spot.
gosh, just jump on here.
George,
We're having a
teleport
party.
to me. George,
We're having a
we
party.
can hide in here together. Come
Okay, let's teleport to you.
on. No, no, George. I said George.
Okay.
Evie, don't look.
Okay.
Oh,
Hi. Why are you outside?
Because that's where we're allowed.
Let's hide inside this person's home.
No,
Yes.
that's where I was. Wait, is George?
Yes,
counting?
we're going to hide in here now,
George
guys. This is
counting.
my home.
Wait, stop shooting.
So, guys,
that is not your home.
it is.
Oh yeah, I need to reset.
Because I have this home, but then, guys, like, I might lock it because I'm sneaky. This person has a dragon.
No, they don't.
Yes, they do. Let's trade them. Oh, I'm in the family. Let's go for that, and then.
No, please.
Yes.
No, Evie.
Oh my God, they're so kind.
Evie, please, may I have it?
No
I have-
way am I giving
didn't
you
give it
that.
to you.
See? I'm giving you this and this.
So you want to give
Fine.
them a crack tag?
No, trade me again. Trade me like that.
George, can you come and
I'll
find
give
us
you
for
this.
Evie? No, I'm
And
not.
then
I literally had to
this.
reset.
Oh, I really hope she gives me. Hold on, I'm gonna ask her for the dragon.
Evie, you're in the game that I'm
The dragon. Okay, we've quit the game now, guys. I'm just gonna try and get the dragon. Like everyone's gonna be watching me, like, oh my gosh, you got a dragon. And I'm like, hee hee. I'll say, I'm wreck. I'm a wreck. Hee hee. I'm wreck. Hee hee. I don't know why I said that.
Me too.
Oh my gosh, trade me.
Me too.
Ah!
Evie is a dum-dum face.
I'm wreck.
I'm gonna say
I'm wreck. Oh yeah, I am. I'm wreck.
You actually are.
I know. I'm just gonna cut the video, guys, until like I get, yeah.